Hi, this is the screencast for project0. My website is created to record homeowners association fees payments, consult payments already done, and update users' information such as name, house number, and email. The app has 4 HTML pages: index, inicio, insert, registrar pago, list, consultar pago, and update, actualizar correo. You can get from any page of the site to any other page using the nav menu in the bottom of the page. The website has an image at home page, index 5, has a table in list 5, and has an order list in update 5. These items are house number, first name, last name, and email. The list uses list group bootstrap component to eliminate bullets and the flex column class to make it responsive. The website uses a style sheet file called mystyle.css in order to set table style and nav menu style. It also uses media queries with the purpose of change background color and font size when screen size changes from desktop size to tablet size or smaller. A style sheet mystyle.css uses some CSS properties such as border, padding, text align, background color, margin, and different types of CSS selectors: H1, nav, footer, class image, ID pago, body, among others. The app uses bootstrap nav component for nav menu at the bottom of each page. Also, the app uses list group component in the update file. In the insert file, the content for input data was designed with 2 responsive columns when the screen is desktop size and just 1 column for smaller sizes. In both cases, Bootstrap columns grid model was used. In mystyle.scss file, there are some variables such as small VG color to define background color for screen smaller size, min width and max width to define which sizes activate the smaller screen style. Styling ID pagos is used to style the table. There are a nesting SCSS because TD and TH selectors are table selectors' children. ID pagos also use inheritance because there is a genetic pattern called pattern basic that set common properties for TH and TD selectors.